Reggae Girlz are engaged in a real battle against many-time world champions Team USA in a big friendly international as we speak. And say what you want about the JFF, but no one can argue that these current Reggae Girlz have not been getting the games necessary to have them well prepared for World Cup qualifying battle. One conspicuous absence, though, continues to be star striker Khadija Bonny-Shaw, who's been conspicuously missing in recent games. Obviously, a big miss against this kind of high-quality opponent. There is, of course, one school of thought that we probably should not have taken up this kind of assignment at this time because of how potentially dangerous the Americans could be. And for sure, they could embarrass the Reggae Girlz and indeed do major damage to the confidence of the players. But let us keep our fingers crossed. By the way, what score? What score in the game? Nila, what score?